What's up, guys? Have you missed projectors on our channel, Tech Brothers? It's been a while since our last video about projectors, but now I have something new from GooDee. This budget projector has 1080p native resolution, 3000 ANSI Lumens brightness, TOF autofocus and auto Keystone, Dolby audio, 30 watts dual speakers, and smart system with Netflix, YouTube and other apps. You know, I was surprised to see 3000 ANSI Lumens in a budget projector under $500, and to be honest, I am skeptical about it. However, in this video, we will check the image quality and find out if it really is that bright. Now let's start the review with unboxing. The new projector from GooDee comes in this box. There is the same image on the front and back of the box. The model name, input and rated power are on the side. By the way, the full name of this projector is GooDee AC571. After opening the box, first we take out the package with accessories, which includes a remote control, power cable, HDMI cable, cleaning kit, user manual and quick start guide. Now we can take the projector out of the box, which is securely packed in a foam. You know, it is not as big as I thought, although I cannot call it compact either. As you can see, the package contents are quite standard for a budget projector, so let's move on to the design. Let's go back to the size of the new GooDee projector. Its dimensions are 265 by 240 by 145 mm. The weight is 3260 grams. As I said before, this is not really compact projector. You know, it doesn't even have a tripod mount on the bottom, just a ceiling mount with a screw size M4x4. And there is also a kickstand on the bottom to adjust the height. Most likely you will just put it on a table or a shelf, and it has 4 rubberized feet to prevent it from sliding. The front of the GooDee AC571 projector has a fabric-like coating. There is a TOF sensor and AI camera on the front panel for fast automatic screen adaptation. The lens is hidden under a plastic cover. The side panels have ventilation grills. On the back we see a large fan, a speaker, a power connector and connection ports such as IR receiver, headphone jack, 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. The top panel features a large GooDee logo and round control buttons left, right, up, down, OK and return. The power button is even silver and textured. If we look at the bottom panel again, we will see dust net here. You just need to press and remove it. You know, it is a really big filter. Overall, given the size of this projector, its ventilation grills and the fan on the rear panel, I start thinking that its brightness really could be 3000 ANSI Lumens. So far I like the GooDee AC571 projector. It is well made and looks good. By the way, using the remote control, you can adjust the focus manually and quickly open Netflix, YouTube and Prime Video. Now let's turn on the projector and see how it works. The GooDee AC571 has a smart system, but it is based on a Linux rather than Android. However, there are still popular apps pre-installed here, such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Apple TV+, Disney+, etc. By the way, the previous GooDee projector we tested ran on the same smart system, but it seems that the new projector has a new version of this operating system, because it has a live TV. This is actually the Plex app with different TV shows.
So how many rules do you have in the book that you're supposed to follow on a day-to-day basis?
What do you want us to do different?
I would like you to.
As for the settings, first the GooDee AC571 projector has quick settings menu with following options: auto Keystone, manual Keystone, zoom and shift, autofocus, network and internet, Bluetooth, picture mode and sound effects. When it comes to the picture mode, you can select Standard, Movie, Game, Custom, Sport and Vivid. In the Custom mode, you can manually adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, etc. There are also sound modes available on this projector, such as Standard, Movie, Music, News and Sports. The GooDee AC571 projector has a full settings menu with image correction settings, such as auto Keystone correction, image correction settings, manual Keystone correction, zoom and shift, focus, screen restore, and projection type. In the display and sound menu, we have picture settings with picture mode, brightness mode, low latency for game, and sound settings with sound output, sound effects, and system sound. In the network and internet menu, you can connect the projector to the Wi-Fi network. There are also signal source and Bluetooth settings available on this projector. By the way, in the general settings, I found a new version of a moving OS. After installation, it should optimize autofocus issues. I don't have any problems with autofocus, but let's install it anyway. So the new version has been installed successfully. If we talk about autofocus and Keystone in more detail, then the GooDee AC571 projector uses TOF sensor, HD camera and AI algorithm for faster and more accurate image tuning. Although you have to wait about 2-3 seconds until the projector automatically adjusts focus and Keystone, it works accurately. As I have already shown you, the projector also has zoom and shift, as well as intelligent obstacle avoidance and auto-screen alignment. Okay, now I want to test screen mirroring on this projector. It comes with pre-installed apps called Projection Assistant. You need to open it and then select which smartphone you have, Android or iOS. After that, simply take your phone, go to Screen Mirroring and then select the projector. That's it. By the way, the latency is very low because the projector uses dual-band Wi-Fi 6. I also saw an app here called Bluetooth Music. This is probably a Bluetooth speaker mode. Yes, that's right. You can connect your smartphone to the projector via Bluetooth and listen to music through the projector's built-in speakers. You know, this feature is really useful because the projector is equipped with high-quality Dolby Audio certified 30 watts dual speakers. It also uses AI SoundBalance technology, which analyzes content in real time, boosting dialogue clarity by 40% and enhancing 60 Hz bass for action-packed scenes. We will watch the movie a little later, but for now, let's listen to some more music. By the way, I showed you that the projector has a large fan on the back. Let's check its noise level. So it is about 55 decibels near the projector. And 47 decibels at 1 meter. Yes, it is a little noisy, but to be honest, I didn't pay attention to that when watching videos because the built-in speakers are very powerful and high quality. Okay, let's move on to image quality, which is the most interesting and important part. First, you should know that the GooDee AC571 projector has an OSRAM hybrid lens system, which uses an advanced LED phosphor color wheel with dynamic sync for vivid and true-to-life projection. This technology seems complicated, doesn't it? However, it provides a truly high-quality image. By the way, the projector supports a 98% NTSC color gamut via HDR10+ and 20,000 to 1 contrast ratio. The colors look amazing. I usually watch the projector on my 85-inch screen, but I can take it down and make the image bigger for you, about 120 inches. Okay, let's watch some movie trailers, sports matches, and gameplay on the GooDee AC571 projector.
You are smart. I know that you are great with numbers, but I just don't think you got it. As an executive, I see no value in you. Does that make sense?
I'm sorry, what?
You know we have the Bangkok merger coming up. Prove me wrong. Oh, Linda, before you go, I forgot to mention I received a few complaints about you.
Complaints? Trying to keep us alive.
So getting us out of here, that should be your focus, huh? Being Susie Homemaker over here.
What did you just say to me?
Let's not forget, I'm your boss. You work for me.
We're not in the office anymore, Bradley.
If there's something you can do, then you must do it.
Outstanding. Okay. Look, difference already.
CJ's cool. We gotta be over his house. Can you go over, please?
All right, why not? Hell yeah, dude. Bye-bye. Oh, what a damn! You must go ahead, boy. Come on, run out the back, and Booker finishes it off. Correct. Well, one-on-one was going in with the full back. Rodgers to his left, Rodgers to the end zone. By far the worst in the league. Nobody's really close.
This offense, or this defensive line has a hard time getting in.
She loves. And Connor Zary gives Calgary a 6-5 win.
Not a lot of injuries for Vegas to deal with.
Mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? Well, always a local tourist board.
I guess you had to be there. It was odd.
I'm gonna have poor taste if you ask me. I've got what they deserve.
What, me? Need to see a man about it back.
Because of element 115.
Can you hear me? Please, you have to help me. I'm scared.
It was only because of element 115.
Can you hear me? Please, you have to help me. I'm scared. I just want to go home.
And closure? Wow, you're spoiling me.
Please, doctor, take a look at the site map.
So my main question about this projector is, does it really have 3000 ANSI Lumens? I highly doubt it, but unfortunately I cannot verify it. However, the picture looks vibrant and bright in a dark room. As for the bright room, the image is still very clear. Of course, the colors are lost, but overall the details are very visible.
The coaster in the land of the living.
How long?
Even out, day and a half.
Have you tried making a distress signal?
There's a matchup zone here for France. There's a matchup zone here for France. Not guarding the player.
So you're probably interested in this projector because of its claimed high brightness of 3000 ANSI lumens, which sounds incredible for a projector under $500. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm or deny this, but overall I think this projector has a very good image quality. I also liked the quality of the built-in speaker. It is probably one of the best I have tested among all projectors. Autofocus and Keystone correction work very well. Although the smart system is not Google TV, which I prefer, it still works without any problems. There are many different settings here, and you can watch your favorite shows on Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, etc. The GooDee AC571 projector is available for $459 on Amazon right now, which is a good price overall, but I think it will be even cheaper on Black Friday. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!